Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction Omillionaire 22 September 22 1 to 10 1 4 6 and 10 11 to 20 12 13 15 16 and 19 21 to 30 22 23 24 26 27 29 and 30 31 to 40 34 35 37 38 and 39 41 to 44 42. This is my 22 prediction number. Previous result 12 16 17 18 19 32 43. 12 matched 16 18 32 19. This is matched number. This is passed prediction 16 and year 19 passed. This is not passed. Try this draw. 10 or 30 on number. And also previous result 1 or 2 number repeat. The old result 12 after 10 12 next result 1 12 next result 1 12 next result 1 or 10 and 21 to 30 1 or 2 number have. Check 26 5 22 21 to 30 2 number 23 date 23 6 22 22 30 2 number date 21 22 30 1 2 3 number 25 date 22 30 1 number. This draw 22 9 22 21 to 30 1 or 2 number will come, more chance. And also date 22 and 22 number also important. One more chance 19 29 39 one number chance. 21 to 30 23 or 26 more chance. Result is 12 19 26 30. Thanks for watching.